Welcome to a video by Karkhana Garage. Unlike other companies that we have covered here on this channel, Caterpillar is a company which deals completely with heavy equipment like bulldozers, excavators, and engines for other heavy equipment. It is safe to say that Caterpillar or CAT, which it is commonly referred as, has managed to make itself into a respected brand well beyond its industrial customer segment. Caterpillar managed to make itself recognizable even to the common person by producing high quality products that a common man can use, such as shoes, workwear boots, along with a clothing line. With that being said, let's get into the video to see how such a unique company came about to be and where it stands today. Caterpillar began its days as Holt Manufacturing Company, which was incorporated in the year 1892. Holt Manufacturing Company was founded by Benjamin Holt. Benjamin Holt was an inventor who always built machines, such as in 1886 he made a combine harvester and in 1890 made a steam traction engine tractor. There was another person who played a vital role in the formation of Caterpillar. His name is Clarence Leo Best. C.L. Best started working at Best Manufacturing Company, which was owned by his father, Daniel Best, right from the age of 13 in 1891. Around the same time, Benjamin Holt patented the first workable continuous tracked tractor. This is where the name Caterpillar was coined, as this continuous tracked machine, as nicknamed by many soldiers and also by the company photographer, who reportedly said that the tractor crawled like a caterpillar. This was like an aha moment for Benjamin Holt, and he named the company Caterpillar. Best Manufacturing Company and Holt Manufacturing Company were competitors in California. There was a patent infringement lawsuit going on in between them, which ended in Daniel Best giving 1/3 of the company to his son, C.L. Best, and the remaining 2/3 was sold to Holt for $325, which is about 9 million US dollars today. Best was appointed the plant manager, but he soon left as the majority power resided with Benjamin Holt. In 1910, C.L. Best started his own company called C.L. Best Gas Traction Company. Benjamin Holt trademarked Caterpillar in the year 1911. With the advent of World War I in 1914, Holt Manufacturing Company and C.L. Manufacturing Company were delivering tractors to the military. After the war had ended in 1918, both the companies faced a hard time as the demands of their tractors fell, especially for the military. Also, World War I was followed by the Depression of 1920 to 21. In December 1920, Benjamin Holt died of a month-long illness. The situation of the Holt Manufacturing Company was dwindling with the loss of their leader and less sales. Holt and Best had nearly spent 1.5 million US dollars in fighting lawsuit against each other. Around the same time, C.L. Best was doing comparatively better than Holt Manufacturing Company and became financially strong. Holt's board of directors were forced by banks who held the company's large debt to make Thomas A. Baxter succeed Benjamin Holt. Even after focusing the product line to suit the smaller agricultural market, the company had a hard time. In 1921, the US government funded 1 million US dollars under the Federal Aid Highway Act of 1921, and Baxter directed the company towards road construction, something even C.L. Best did, but both the companies faced stiff competition from Ford's son. The person behind the debt of C.L. Best was consulted by Holt Caterpillar regarding the company's financial trouble. It was determined that both the businesses would bankrupt. In April of 1925, C.L. Best decided to merge with Holt Caterpillar to form Caterpillar Tractors Company, which would later be renamed to Caterpillar Incorporated, the Caterpillar we all know today. Earlier in 1925, Baxter was removed as the chairman of the board And with the merging of the two companies, C.L. Best took up the position as chairman of the board of Caterpillar and remained the chairman until his death in 1951. It was only after 1925 that Caterpillar started to take form of the company we all know today. Based on the technological edge from both the prior companies, Caterpillar started producing better machinery to meet the growing demands. Caterpillar has its presence all over the world with over 4,000 products serving to different sectors. Caterpillar's reliable diesel engines are used to power a whole lot of things including trains, trucks and ships. Apart from diesel or natural gas engines, Caterpillar also pioneers in gas turbines. The vastness of Caterpillar cannot be explained simply with words. To give an idea of the vastness of Caterpillar, let me tell you that Caterpillar keeps acquiring small businesses from which Caterpillar can grow its product line and provide heavy equipment solution for literally any requirement. With that, we have come to the end of this video. It is amazing to see such an old company having its roots so deep in its sector that it is almost impossible for us to witness Caterpillar to just disappear.